Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required info, the VPN server address, protocol, and your credentials. Open Android settings and tap Network and Internet, then VPN. This gives you the built-in client. If your provider gave an app, install it now. Once done, choose Add VPN Profile and pick the correct protocol because the wrong type will fail to connect. Make sure credentials and any shared secret are copied exactly. Small typos are the most common cause of failure. You now input the server address into the new VPN profile. Use the hostname or IP exactly as supplied. Choose the protocol your provider specified and paste credentials into username and password fields. If a pre-shared key or certificate is required, install the certificate or enter the PSK in the appropriate field. Once saved, you can adjust advanced settings like DNS, routes, and MTU to match provider recommendations. These matter if sites fail to resolve or traffic doesn't route through the tunnel. You finish by tapping the VPN profile to connect. Accept any system permission prompts. Look for the VPN key icon in the status bar and then verify by visiting a What is my IP page or your provider's connection status to confirm the server address is in use. If it fails, make sure the server address had no typos, the protocol matches, and credentials are correct. A key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to clear stale network state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.